Using coconut oil to detangle and moisturize my hair, MsSassyPat. I'm going to show you how I took my dry, tangled hair and made my curls pop. Using Butcher Boy coconut oil that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I'm taking some of the coconut oil and I put it in a little bowl, and I'm just mixing it to get it into a liquid consistency. Let's get started. So I'm just going to take out my hair, and because my hair is so thick and it is super detangled, I like sectioning it off in 4 parts. Taking this from a twist out, an old twist out, so I just have to make sure that I have all the twists out. So I'm sectioning it off in 4 parts. It's just easier for me to manage. So now I'm going to take the coconut oil and I'm just going to work it through each section. Oops, let me do a little bit of detangling. I know some people don't like coconut oil. It doesn't work well with their hair, but I have never had an issue with it. In fact, I love it. It just adds so much definition to my curls. It's just like a refresher, a detangler and moisturizer, so I just love it. I used a lot of coconut oil. You do not have to use a lot because at the end it was just running down my neck and everything. So I'm just putting the coconut oil in my hair, on my ends. Some of the benefits of coconut oil: it adds moisture to your dry hair, it adds luster and shine and softens your hair also. It also prevents your hair from breakage and split end. Some people use the coconut oil as a pre-poo, a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizer. Whatever works best for your hair, then that's what I would suggest. So I'm just working this through my hair. The process actually took me about 20 minutes. My hair was super tangled. So I'm going to take it out and just section it back up. I'm going to put some around my edges. This Butcher Boy coconut oil is really good. It's only $1 at the Dollar Tree. So if you don't want to invest like $5 or $6 on some coconut oil, this worked fantastic. So I'm going to massage my hair as well. I'm trying to get my hair to grow and be healthy as well. So there you go, my first section. And I'm going to do the same steps throughout the rest of the 3 sections. Just detangling, putting the coconut oil in. This coconut oil did not have a smell, so if you don't like the smell of coconut oil, it did not smell like coconut oil. I also used this coconut oil on my face as a moisturizer. and to remove my makeup. So I'm done with that section and I'm just moving on to the next section. Just doing the same steps, detangling, make sure I have all the 2-strand twists out. I do get a lot of single strand knots in my hair. I didn't use a comb or anything to detangle my hair. I just like using my fingers to detangle my hair. So I'm at the end, and as you can see, I have the oil going everywhere. So I'm going to twist this up. And there you go, I did all 4 sections. So now I'm going to go in and massage my scalp a little more. It's supposed to help with the blood flow so your hair can grow. There you go. Now I'm going to add conditioner. So I bought this conditioner from Big Lots for $2. I love this conditioner. It's sulfate free. Even if I don't do the coconut treatment, I will also I will go in with this conditioner, and this detangles my hair so well. I kind of like adding the conditioner to my hair when it's dry, because then that's less things that I have to do when I'm in the shower washing this out. So I'm just doing each section, detangling a little more. This is an optional step. If you just wanted to use just the coconut oil and just leave it in, then that's fine. But I just like using this extra step. And both of these products cost me $3, so it's very budget friendly. I left this on my hair for an hour and a half, so there you go. The results. I loved it. It worked so well with my hair. So let me take it out and show you. Look at my curls. My hair is so moisturized. And my curls are popping. What do you think? Let me give you a close-up view. Look at those curls. Love it. So you don't really have to spend a whole lot of money on your hair to moisturize and detangle. This Butcher Boy coconut oil did the trick for me. So I just love it. I hope you go out and try it. I just love my hair. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!
MsSassyPat. Wow. She make your hair look good.